Dilkhush or coconut buns. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I'm Kanchana Jekmar. A lovely session of Dilkhush or coconut buns. They are buns lovely with some tutti fruttis and coconuts within them. They are self-sustaining, like they become a whole meal. At the same time, they are a snack, so they are everything. Let us try this lovely, yummy Dilkhush or coconut buns. So for this buns, we are going to make two portions. One is going to be the bun flour or the bun batter, and then it's going to be the stuffing. So for the stuffing, we need tutti fruttis and coconut, whereas for the bun dough, we are going to just do it with the all-purpose flour. So here we are going to use the yeast first. We'll prepare the yeast, and that will help the dough rise up and nicely ferment. For 250 grams of flour, we are using 1 teaspoon of yeast. Always add some sugar to help the yeast. All-purpose flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to add this yeast and milk mixture. So here the dough is done. Look at the dough, it's very soft and it can stretch nicely, and it is a little firm but not as firm as the chapati dough what we do for the chapatis or puris. So it should be a nice dough like this. So now let's cover it up and allow it to rest for at least 45 minutes, and depends on the temperature. Suppose if you're in a cold place, then it will take some more time. Otherwise it normally takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour to rise up or double in size. So here we have our bun dough. It's raised double in size. So we'll start doing the buns. Just put some flour to your hands so that you'll be able to easily mix it. Let's divide this dough to 2 parts. Depends on the size of bun. You can again further divide it into 4 or something more. Dust some flour and make this into a round. Do this roughly. Now let's prepare the filling. We are adding some powdered sugar to this. You can even powder the regular sugar and use for this. Here it's done. Now add the grated coconut, or if the dry ones are there, you can add that also. Add the cardamom powder. Now let's put to the center of this bun, and it again depends. Those who want some more of this coconut can add some more, and some tutti frutti little more, or you want some sugar, you can add if you require and you feel like you need some more sweet. That will be really good. Now let's put the sides and cover it up. We have turned it to the other side, so the folded side will be underneath. Now try to give it a nice round shape with your hands. Preheat your OTG ovens for 180 degrees for 10 minutes, and then we'll have to bake this for 30 minutes. Lastly, we are going to do the slight brushing up with sugar and milk. That will give a lovely color to the buns. Now let's leave it into the preheated oven for 30 minutes. Look at this lovely, yummy bun. It looks beautiful. It looks with a topping, nice color and nice browning. The side one is just the milk which spilled out while we were brushing it. So it's a beautiful bun. So dear friends, look at this lovely piece of Dilkhush bread. It's really wonderful. Do taste this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.